Hi, I'm Junior from Junior's Workshop in Hitchin. Family run business, we've been here for 10 years. It's great working with Happy Days, we love what they do, and it's great supporting local kids in the community. We think it's great that Happy Days take children out on special days out, going outside, having the fresh air. It helps their development, and for them it's just such great fun, and it just shows love. It's such a great thing to be able to be involved with Operation Secret Santa. We even get clients to donate toys to us, to then we donate to the charity, because we all know every little helps.